Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about find the angle between the planes. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to arrange about this one in here into AX plus BY plus CZ plus D equals to number 0. So for the first one in here, we have 4 multiplied by s and negative number 2. So we have 4s minus a. This one we have 2y minus number 2. This one is about negative number 10z, negative number 10. And now we will have about 4s plus 2y minus 10z, and we have negative number 20. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. And now we can apply the formula to find the angle in here. I will put about cosine theta equals to the absolute value of a number 1 multiplied by a number 2 plus b number 1 multiplied by b number 2 plus c number 1 multiplied by c number 2 over the absolute, over the square root of a number 1 square plus b number 1 square plus c number 1 square multiplied by the square root of a number 2 square plus b number 2 square plus c number 2 square. Now a1 of this one is about number 2. a2 of this one is about negative number 25. b1 of the first one is about number 1. b2 of the second one is about 35. c1 is about negative number 5. c2 is about negative number 3. a1 that's about number 2, we have 2 square. b1 that's about 1 square. c1 that's about negative number 5 square. a2 that's about negative number 25 square. b2 in here 35 square, and c2 negative number 3 square. We calculate about this one and we have about 0. So that cosine theta equals to number 0. That means theta equals to b over 2. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.